5 Lessons from the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Getting money requires taking risks, being optimistic, and putting yourself out there. But keeping money requires the opposite of taking risk. It requires humility. The ability to do what you want, when you want, with who you want, for as long as you want, is priceless. It is the highest dividend money pays. Spending money to show people how much money you have, is the fastest way to have less money. No one is impressed with your possessions as much as you are. Humility, kindness, and empathy will bring you more respect than horsepower ever will. Building wealth has little to do with your income, or investment returns. It has lots to do with your savings rate.